welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika, and after a very long time this video is a makeup haul, everything under my good old 300 rupees budget. So this is my first Tira haul and I have a lot of opinions. This is not the first time that I shopped from Tira, so I have a lot of gossip to give and I also have a lot of makeup to show off. So without much blabbering, let's get started with today's video. This video is not at all sponsored, and of course I'm gonna provide links in the description box of the products that I got, so make sure you check them out and watch the video till the end. Starting off by saying that Tira is a beautiful brand. Like, I am in love with the app. Everything is smooth and seamless, and आपको मालूम भी नहीं इतना सारा डिस्काउंट चलता रहता है. I literally got products worth 3000 at 2000 rupees because उनका Tuesday करके कूपन कोड आता है Tira TU, and when you use that 1000 रुपया पूरा ऑफ हो जाता है. I've been scrolling all day long on Tira and of course I have a lot of products, but इस बजट पे 200-300 रुपए का ही प्रोडक्ट मैं दिखाऊंगी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो इज गोना बी अ लिटिल लक्स बिकॉज मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है एंड आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स वर्थ अराउंड 20,000, सो I cannot wait for you guys to see it. But without much blubbering, let's start with the products. As I already mentioned, बहुत सारा डिस्काउंट चल रहा था, so I stocked up on my sheet masks. This is the Miss Claire NMF Hydrating Solution Mask, and this is basically hyaluronic acid, ceramides and glycerine, and this is my favorite one, and this was only for 25 rupees. कोई buy one get one नहीं था. If you get one, then also you will pay 25, and it's beautiful because इसका MRP है 150, and I love this sheet mask. I'm not a sheet mask person, but I have my favorites which I use only when my skin definitely needs skincare and self-care. So yeah, this is my favorite, and this is a new variant that I got. This is also from Miss Claire, and this is their Multi-Vita Whitening Solution Mask. This was for 30 rupees only, and the MRP is 150, and I haven't tried this yet, so can't speak about it. This says it has whitening ampules, so maybe also made in Korea. I'm gonna use this in my next shots and I'll let you know how it works. Next, coming to this product, this is the HD Bronson Professional Pink Diamond Beauty Blender Makeup Sponge. My favorite sponge, and मेरा last वाला जो था वो पूरा बर्बाद हो गया, so I thought I'll get a new one, and this is so pretty. This is perfect for, you know, this part, this flat part for your setting the makeup, and here for the concealer and corner of the eyes, and this goes in perfectly in every corner, and you definitely have to buy this because जब मैंने लिया this was only for 70 rupees while the MRP is 250, so something that you really have to check out. Coming to the next few products, I got some supplements. This one is for my mom, this one is for me. So basically this is the Purna Gummies Sugar-Free Apple Cider Vinegar with the mother. This is weight loss vitamin detox. The price of this is $5.99 while I got this at 90 or 99. This is for me. This is the Purna Gummies Excalibur. It has ashwagandha, stamina, vitality, strength, and it is in the flavor wild berry. This has 30 gummies and one a day. Iska bhi price 500 hai. This is 499 is the MRP, and I got it at 99 only. 99 or 90, I'm not sure, so I'm gonna add a screenshot because nobody's gonna believe me. Okay, opening this was hard. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty. I have had power gummies a lot, and I believe gummies do work. These are basically supplements जो आपको tablet form में नहीं बल्कि ऐसे gummies में मिलता है, and it has a lot of sugar, not gonna lie, but I don't care. Like, I don't care what I'm eating. I don't like the taste. वैसे I'm not the perfect person to say because I'm very picky when it comes to food tasting, but This is not good. So I got some more products from Swiss Beauty, and this is the Swiss Beauty On The Move Lip Palette 9 color, and this is a mascara. So we'll talk about the lip palette first. Look at the packaging. The holographic thing that's going on is so good considering it is 150 rupees only. So at 150 rupees you basically get 9 shades, which is too good. 30 rupees per shade is brilliant. So you guys have to check this out. Looks so pretty. Does it look like a 150 rupees branded makeup product? Like, it's so good. This is how it looks like. The shades are really pretty. I'm just gonna it's buttery smooth. It's so smooth and so pigmented at the same time. I'm literally obsessed. It looks so good. Look at this. It's so pretty. I think I really need some more of these because this comes in 2 different shades and I think I have to pick the other one as well. By the way, इसका MRP 249 है, so अगर आपको discount पे भी नहीं मिलता फिर भी it's so cheap. It's like 249 is nothing for this product. It's so good. Now coming to the Swiss Beauty craze. Look at this. This is a mascara that I haven't opened yet because I'm skeptical. I really don't want to open another mascara because I already have so many mascaras. If you guys haven't watched the Gush Beauty video, you guys should definitely go check it out because I showed a bomb mascara there. And I am skeptical because mascaras have a shelf life of 6 months. तो 6 महीने में खराब हो जाता है. I really don't want to open this up, but look at the packaging. I'm seduced. This is called the Swiss Beauty Craze Duo Mascara, and this is for lengthening and for volume. My favorite mascara is this one. This is from Mars and this is the Double Trouble mascara, and it has step 1 length and step 2 volume, and this is just a beautiful mascara. So I cannot wait to try this out as well because I think I like Swiss Beauty a lot more than Mars Cosmetics. So maybe I'll put this into test some other day, and this is just a haul, guys. Just enjoy the product and wait for the next video. This is the next product. This is the Mars Vitalizer Serum. This has Redensyl 1%, Procapil 1% and Copexyl 2%, and this is basically for hair growth. Before I sleep 5 days a week, I apply this all over my scalp and forehead where I want baby hair to grow, and this basically kinda does the work, but you have to be really consistent with it. मैं जैसा YouTube के साथ consistent inconsistent खेलती हूँ वैसा खेलने से नहीं होगा. When it comes to your hair care, you have to be really serious. So yeah, I have been consistent with this and I definitely see a lot of changes. इसके साथ I also have power gummies. I have 3 liters water a day. So you have to like do all of that in order to have good hair growth. मेरे से और इंतजार नहीं हो रहा. Next video का इंतजार मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. I have to show off this product because I never thought that I'm gonna buy this. I'm not the person who buys things that are this expensive, but मेरे से ना control नहीं होता. कभी-कभी I just feel like let me see what the fuck it does because इतना सारा marketing, इतना सब लोगों ने बैठ के अपने मुंह पे ऐसा किया है that I was like I have to get this in my life. But to be honest, you can literally use rice and chia seeds and whatnot. I think I really wasted my money here because as you can see I've used this much and I have seen no changes. First of all, I know skincare में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, 3-4 महीना 6 महीना आप एक प्रोडक्ट को देते हो, but it's been 2 months and I see no changes, and that is bad because there are products cheaper than this and they have visible results in a month. By the way, this is the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, and if you know anything about skincare or you are on Instagram, you know this product. It's literally so expensive. It's for 2000 rupees and it didn't do anything to me. I have dupes of this. I have the one from Dermaco and Dermaco one is much better. Take it from me. So I don't know, I wasted my money, so I thought that I'm just gonna show this to you and I'll just say that there are much better DIY products available. Right now we are at a stage that we don't need to use all of these expensive products. We can just DIY. I buy things so that I can review them. बाकी आपको खरीदना है तो खरीद लो. Okay, coming back to makeup, this is the Uninterrupted Soft Flush Liquid Blush, and this is a new one, so I have to open this. This is in the shade Spring Fling, and it's so pretty. This is how the shade looks like in the outer packaging. And God, look at the applicator, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna apply a little bit because I want blush. Okay, not gonna lie, it's cute. My goodness, I feel alive again. I really need a lot of blush on my face to feel pretty nowadays. I don't know why. So yeah, this was the Uninterrupted Liquid Blush, and the MRP of this is 1200 rupees. I got it at 300 only because I'm a gem. So मैं नीचे लिंक दे दूंगी, आप जाके ले सकते हो. बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty shade है. I also got 2 other shades, but they are not a part of this haul because I got it from some other website. Uninterrupted का formulation और जो applicator है, both are perfect and it stays for a very long time because I have other 2 shades. The other brownish shade is so beautiful. You must try it. मैं उसका भी link नीचे दे दूंगी. जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी कहा है, I have mostly shifted to this place and इस फ्लैट में आई डेंट हैव अ माइसेलर वाटर. सो सुबह बैठ के मैंने टीरा से ऑर्डर किया है और 2 दिन में आ गया. दिस इज द लैक्मे माइसेलर प्योर biphasic remover. Cleanses effectively, removes long wear eye makeup in one swipe, and that claim, my dear, is apt. ये आप लगाओगे आराम से एक बार में पूरा मेकअप उठ जाएगा. And I've used this in my YouTube short, so you can go and check it out. This works like magic, and like 1 minute में your makeup is gone. And if you have sensitive skin तो stick to your Bioderma, but मेरा Bioderma खत्म हो चुका था, इस फ्लैट में है भी नहीं. So I ordered this one, and this is really cheap. It's for 200 rupees only, and micellar water which is this cheap is अनबिलीवेबल. वैसे MRP इसका 550 है, बट आई होप आपको डिस्काउंट पे मिल जाए बिकॉज दिस प्रोडक्ट इज वर्थ अ ट्राई एंड इट हैज सो मच प्रोडक्ट. ये ख़त्म होने में पूरा 1 साल लग जाएगा. एंड या आई एम प्रीटी ऑब्सेस्ड. ऑल्सो लुक एट द कलर. लाइक आई लव aqua blue and anything which is like so pretty and pastels or skies. I love it. Next, so I got my OG foundation again. This is the Insight Ultra Thin Second Skin Long Wear Foundation, and only people who follow me from 2021 or 2020 will know that this is the foundation I started my channel with. This is worth rupees 150 and मेरा shade है 04 Warm Nude. This is literally a foundation that gives me nostalgia, love, and it has the perfect blendability. It blends like a dream and it's literally your second skin. आराम से स्किन पे बैठता है, किसी को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता, एक्ने को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता, पोर्स में घुस के ऐसे दाना ऐसा नहीं हो जाता स्किन. इट्स so good. Worth your try अगर आपको आपका शेड मिल जाए तो. एक ही प्रॉब्लम है that they only have 4 shades. वरना I तो vouch for this foundation because it has been my baby since I had nothing at all, and this was the only thing that I could afford. This is still the only thing that I can afford. It's literally the perfect foundation, and it's not about the money because there are products that are very expensive and do nothing. So definitely you should try this once and let me know how it works for you. बाकी जिसने भी Gush video नहीं देखा है, you should definitely go check the video out. I completely forgot to tell you. So when I shifted to this flat, I also needed a sunscreen. With the micellar water, I ordered this sunscreen because I didn't have sunscreens is घर पे, and I was dying because ring light का जो it irritates my skin so much. So this is the Aqualogica Detan Dewy Sunscreen, cherry tomato and hyaluronic acid. It removes tan, hydrates. It has SPF 50+. PA+++, UVA, UVB. It has a lot of things, basically also blue light protection. So because I wanted a blue light protection sunscreen, I got this. I have never tried Aqualogica products before and I will repurchase because my goodness, this is such a good sunscreen. It actually works. I went to a beach 3 days ago and do you see tan? Like my whole body is tanned, okay? My whole body, my skin, everything is tanned as you can see, but my face is not because I was using this throughout and my whole family was using it, and it still has a lot of product in here. So I'm definitely gonna repurchase whenever it's gonna be over because this is worth every penny. I'm not a fan of Mamaearth and Aqualogica and all these brands, but when a product is good, I have to vouch for it. So definitely worth a buy. इसका MRP है 449 है इसका MRP, but I got it at 350 only. 100 rupees का ऑफ मिला मेरे को. So and ऊपर से 3000 का प्रोडक्ट लिया मैंने, 1000 का एक कूपन लगाया, मैंने सिर्फ 2000 पे किया है. सो दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट. इतना सब डिस्काउंट के बाद भी आप कूपन यूज कर सकते हो ट्यूसडे को जैसे मैंने बोला, एंड आपको ऊपर से भी डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. सो इट्स एवरीथिंग इज लाइक रियली चीप राइट हियर. सो यस, अगर आपको डिस्काउंट मिले डेफिनेटली गेट दिस sunscreen. I got 3 lip liners. These are from Inside Cosmetics. This is their Glide On lip liner and कोई भी शेड जो आपको पसंद है ले लो आंख बंद करके because these are so good. ऊपर से लिप लाइनर सिर्फ 60 रुपीज का है एंड शार्प नहीं करना होगा आपको. This is retractable, so it's like so good. I'm just gonna show you my favorite shade and this is how it looks like. बस एक swipe and so much color. So this is the shade 18 Cool Drip and I haven't seen anything that is this pretty, this pigmented and so good for the Indian skin tone. Like we are all brown skinned and so good. Next with the Aqualogica sunscreen, क्योंकि मैं बीच पे गई थी, so I got this sunscreen stick. This is from Dermaco and I am like a big fan of Dermaco. So I got this sunscreen and it was for 600 rupees. MRP इसका 1000 है. To be honest, I don't understand why it's important, but you know, lotion से भी काम हो जाता है. But still I wanted to try it out because I have never tried a sunscreen stick. I have seen so many people use them, so I wanted one for myself and ये मैंने ऐसे ही दिखावे में ले लिया. And also for the video, this has SPF 60, PA++++. It's not a bad sunscreen, it's just a normal sunscreen. Like price difference इतना नहीं होना चाहिए. That's what I feel. The MRP is 1000 rupees, so उतना तो नहीं होना चाहिए. That's the point I'm trying to make. But otherwise, it's a very good sunscreen. It applies perfectly. That I can say that ये बस आप खोलो and you retract this, and that's how you apply this. And we are done applying the sunscreen. So it's pretty fast. You can definitely get this, but not worth the money. Coming to my favorite sleep essentials, क्योंकि अभी बज रहे रात के 3 बजे और अभी मैं सोने जाऊंगी. So I thought that for the last 2 products I have to show these to you guys. Of course बहुत सारा product अभी भी दिखाना बाकी है, वो next haul में कर लेंगे because ये वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो गया already. So we'll start with this one, this cutie beauty. This is the Dot and Key AHA exfoliating sleeping mask and ये सिर्फ 15 ml का product है. This is worth rupees 150, but oh my goodness, I apply this and I sleep and achanak se I feel so fresh and I'm like a new person. I look so pretty. This gives a glow from within. I think you should not apply this every night, but at least twice a week. If you need a good sleeping mask, you definitely have to invest in this. And complementing this is this baby right here. This is from Gush Beauty and this is their Tired Af Revives and Rejuvenates, and I have seen so many ads on this. इतना सारा ad देख के I finally got this. Look at how aesthetic it is. इज प्राइस थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, इट्स फॉर 999 बट अभी डिस्काउंट पे चल रहा है, सो आपको थोड़ा कम में मिल जाएगा. यू कैन गेट इट फॉर 499 एंड दिस इज रीयूजेबल. या तो आप कोई स्लीपिंग मास्क ले लो, या तो यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक एलोवेरा. एज आई मैंशन DIY भी कर सकते हो. थोड़ा सा एलोवेरा ले लो एंड एलोवेरा लगाने के बाद उसके ऊपर यूज दिस पैच एंड you're gonna wake up with good proper under eyes. because मैं जब स्कूल में थी मैं 1 घंटा सोती थी and I used to use aluminium foil papers, एलोवेरा लगा के उसके ऊपर, and I used to wake up like a beauty. but yeah, sleeping is important. डार्क सर्कल्स अगर जेनेटिक है तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर फ्रॉम द एक्सटर्नल साइड. इंटरनल में जो हो रहा है वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है, बट एक्सटर्नल का यू रियली हैव टू टेक केयर. सो येस, दीज टू आर समथिंग दैट आई कैन वाउच फॉर. आई एम obsessed. I've been applying this every single night, and this of course twice a week as I mentioned already. So yeah, you guys, these were the few products that I got from Tira. I already have a lot more products to show, but abhi nahi kar sakte because the video is gonna be super long. So yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what videos you guys want to watch next, because I have a lot of things in plan, but मेरे को जानना है आपको क्या देखना है. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.